Hey there, dear friends. We're at Birla Planetarium today and we're going to learn about it. So now we're seeing the building of this planetarium. So this is the entry fee and the timings. Just have a look at it once. Now these are the seating arrangements of the planetarium. There is sample on how the earth looks like in space. Let's have a look at our beautiful galaxy now. We came out from the theater and now we're heading towards the Modern Arts Gallery. We weren't allowed to take pictures in there, so pardon? If you are planning to go there, just have a look at the map. So we are at the Dinosaurium right now. Here is a model of the world famous movie Jurassic Park. These bones, yes, they are actual bones, were found in the district of Adilabad, Telangana. Here are some models of the rockets and satellites of India. This is an example of what life used to be in the olden times. Basically, the extinct life. Just look at the seaweed present in the natural water. Wow. Amazing. Oh my god, just look at the Antarctica. So amazing. This is how the earth spins. In the olden times, cameras used to be so huge that 10 to 12 people were needed to carry it, and the computers would take a whole room. To be precise, the setup. This is a carpet. Yes, a carpet which shows us the lavish life of Sultan Masood. We have left the building which ends our tour. Here are the exteriors of the building. Hope you liked it. Thank you. This is a very amazing and informative museum. Look, it even has a garden. So don't forget to visit it, and bye bye.